here we are. A few days ago, I made a video and said that we were working on something. We had a new thing that was coming our way. And so the 2017 Nismo Z True Serum, we had to make some adjustments. We ended up removing the Motordyne arc pipes, everything. It's actually available for sale now, depending on when you see this video. It's available for sale. The Motordyne exhaust, catback exhaust, should we say. I don't know why I said arc pipes. Those are already sold, the Motordyne arc pipes. Anyway, the Motordyne catback exhaust is available for sale, and I have a few other parts from my 2017 Nismo Z, which is no longer mine. It's not in the stable anymore because there's something new in the stable. And so I am extremely happy and excited about this acquisition and where we are headed. So why don't we just turn around and stop belaboring the point and get to it. Introducing SAPHYRE. This is my 2023 C8 Corvette Hard Top Convertible. It is a 2LT Z51, and I am extremely happy. It's also got the front lift along with stealth interior and carbon fiber package. So we are about to have a great time with this build. There will be much more to come on the site. Should I say much more to come on the YouTube channel. We have a whole bunch of fun things to get into. And I just wanted to take some time to show you all what we're working with. As you can see, the last pieces of the Z are still left around. The Motordyne is just waiting to be packaged up and sent out to its new home. In the meantime, SAPHYRE is ready to go. We have a lot of plans for it. This car, all kinds of fun things we're gonna do. And I invite you to go along with me on the journey.
Oh, it's not there. It's not there yet, is it?
That's not there yet?
No, not yet.
That is so what? No way! You finally. Whoa! What? No way! Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. My goodness, I'm so happy. That's crazy! You got it! Oh!
SAPHYRE 2.0.
That is so daggone cool.
Yep. Wow. Take a look.
Oh my goodness, what?
Get in it.
Where's the handle?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that is crazy. Make sure my shoes are in.
Right, I'll be doing that too.
Make sure my shoes.
Hold down button 1 right here and do it. Just hold it down. Because you and me are basically about the same. Just hold it down. We're basically about the same size.
Wow. And like that, is that holographic?
What?
That's not even actually do that. That's like holographic.
When the top is up, it'll it's a camera. And when the top is down, it's regular.
Auto racing, like if it has red.
Yeah.
get it.